In a jar of 20 marbles, what is the chance of the 7 red marbles to be selected? That will be our lesson today. Jar contains 7 red marbles, 6 green marbles, 5 blue marbles, and 2 yellow marbles. Beyond learners, let's count the marbles per color. Now let's count the total number of marbles. Put all these 20 marbles all together into the jar. You still remember what was the first step that we did? First step is to find the number of marbles per color, and then next will be the total number of marbles. What is the probability or chance of the red to be selected? Number of red marbles divided by the total number of marbles is equal to 0.35 or 35 hundredths. This will be converted into percentage. Therefore, the red marble has the chance of 35%. The next question, what is the probability or chance of the red not being selected? From the previous example, 35% is the chance of the red marble to be selected, and 65% is the chance not being selected. Next question, what is the probability or chance of green to be selected? The number of marbles is equal to 30%. The chance of green not to be selected is 70%. For the next question, what is the probability or chance of blue to be selected? The chance of the blue marble is 25%. Next question, what is the chance of the yellow to be selected? The number of yellow marbles is 2 divided by 20 is equal to 10%. The chance not being selected is 90%. What is the chance of red or green to be selected? A reminder, if you hear the word or in probability questions, it correlates to sum. If they use and, it correlates to multiplication of the probabilities. 7 over 20 plus 6 over 20 is 13 over 20. And in percentage, it is 65%. Another question using or. What is the probability of red or blue to be selected? 720 plus 5 over 20 is equal to 12 over 20 or 60%. Next question, find the probability that blue or yellow is selected. 5 over 20 plus 2 over 20 is equal to 7 over 20. It is equivalent to 35%. Find the probability that red, then blue, without replacement is selected. Without replacement ay ibig sabihin hindi na ibabalik yung red marble. That means kulang na sa 20 ang total number of marbles. Therefore, 7 over 20 times 5 over 19. For cross-multiplying, we have to cancel 5 and then 20. Decimal equivalent is 0.092 or 9.2%. Next question is, find the probability that red, then blue, with replacement are selected. With replacement means ibabalik ang red marble sa jar. Therefore, 20 pa rin ang total number of marbles. 7 over 20 times 5 over 20 is equal to 7 over 80. And it is 8.75%. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by iVolunteer for Filipino children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.
Thank you, Sir Edward, for your dedication, patience, and time for mentoring Elijah and all the IVFC kids. It means so much to us parents. We are very lucky to be part of your IVFC family. Your advocacy to help children to be their best in solving math problems is very helpful. Thank you very much and God bless.
For parents who are interested with our program, kindly search on our FB page called IVFC Info page. This program is brought to you by iVolunteer for Filipino children. Join po kayo.